morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. How are you guys doing today? Morning. Welcome, welcome. Hola. Okay, so pretty much everything looks exactly the same. Today I'm only looking to trade a SPY and the Q, but everything, excuse me, looks pretty much the same. So for SPY, for everything. If you want to trade anything, you gotta pay attention to yesterday high and yesterday's low. So for SPY, 512 is the level to watch today. 512, it was resistance yesterday. And right now it's looking like it's acting as support so far. For the Q, again, yesterday high, which is around 439. That's the level to watch today, 439. If it act as support, we most likely are gonna have a green day, and we're gonna see a move to the upside. So if SPY holds 512, the next level to watch is pre-market high, which is a little bit under 515, and then 516, and then all-time high, which is around 518, right? So basically just watch 512, how it's gonna react 512 today. If it holds, we play the upside. If it rejects, we play the downside. For the Q, pretty much the same plan. Yesterday high was around 439. So we want to see 439 holding, which is kind of looks like it's acting as support right now pre-market. So we want to see 439 holding, right? That's our support this morning. Was resistance yesterday. So if it acts as support today, we look to play the upside. And if we act as a reaction point like yesterday, we play the downside. That's it. Pretty simple. And Apple again yesterday high. That's your reaction point. So Apple keeps rejecting 174. That's the level to watch if you want to trade Apple. I'm not looking to trade Apple, but it's good to watch what Apple is doing because we all know Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft are the ones that move the market right now, especially Apple and Nvidia right now. So so yeah, Nvidia again yesterday high around 880, 890. That's the level to watch on Nvidia. If ACTA support, my level for Nvidia is 900. So I'm not looking to trade anything on Nvidia unless it breaks 900. For me, Nvidia needs to break 900 and use it as support to play the upside. Under 900, for me, Nvidia is weak. So I'm not looking to trade anything on Nvidia if it is under 900. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna watch SPY in the queue. After a choppy day yesterday, I want to keep it simple. Keep it simple. Very, very simple. And yesterday that worked out. Keep it simple, only watching SPY in the queue. Only traded, I think I only traded ES or both ES and NQ and made some money, and that's it. Keep it simple, stupid, easy, stress-free. Mara, it's finally bouncing a little bit. I want to see Mara keep holding 20. Hopefully it can go to 24 again. But I want to see Mara keep holding 20. Bitcoin, it's consolidating right now. But yeah, Bitcoin, new all-time high last night. Yeah, yesterday made a new all-time high. And it still looks pretty bullish. So the strongest sector right now is everything related to Bitcoin, I will say. Morning. So coin, because it's related to Bitcoin, if you're looking to trade coin, you kind of want to see coin holding either, let's see, Yesterday's low around 242 or 250. Looks a little bit messy, but still has a clear uptrend. Clear uptrend here, coin. So if it can hold the yesterday's low is 254. I like it coin if it can hold 250, even if it goes a little bit lower, but we see kind of going a little bit under 250 and then bouncing back hard. So basically you want to see a wick there, candlestick with a wick at the bottom. That will be a strong bounce, strong reaction. That's bullish. Morning, morning. Well, yeah. So let's see what we have today. So it looks like the market liked the CPI, PPI, I don't know, whatever data we had pre-market. Whatever data we have pre-market, looks like the market liked it. I think this setup for Apple, it's very easy to trade. A rejection of 174. Like, look at daily, how it closed yesterday. This daily on Apple is bearish. Yeah, CPI, that one. So like always, let's be patient and wait and see what's the clear trend for the day. If it wasn't because Apple has such a like shitty contract that barely move, I'll be looking to trade here puts. Like this is a very easy setup. You enter here, your stop loss is 174, your PT is around 171. Let's see. So SPY and the Q are both in the middle of nowhere. The Q kind of looking easier because it's very close to 439, 438.50 support. SPY, it's in the middle between the resistance here, pre-market high, and the 512 support. So this in the middle of two zones, for me, it's a no trading zone. Okay, so tag is looking a little bit weaker than SPY, like QQQ. Yeah, we want to see the Q holding 439. If you guys want to play the upside, if rejects here, that's the entry to play the downside. Microsoft is kind of looking strong. Apple, Nvidia dying. Anybody got this Apple put play? That's a beautiful, beautiful setup. Pretty easy too. Very easy. Both Apple and Nvidia looking ugly. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to sell Mara. Let's see, yeah. Let's see. Gonna see. It's kind of trying to hold 20. If cannot hold 20, I'm getting out of Mara. Okay, okay, gonna get ready here because if SPY loses 512, I'm playing the downside. Okay, so both SPY and the Q going for the gap fill because both gap up pre-market, so they had a gap below. Yeah, I'm selling Mara. Whoa. Who got that Apple put play? Anybody? Please? That was beautiful. So easy. Okay. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold 512 or not. Nvidia's trying. Nvidia's trying. put some BA. So BA had bad news, right? Yeah. Whoa, look at Apple move. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Morning, bro. Look at that Apple. Apple is dead. Okay, I went short there on ES. Let's see if we're gonna have some continuation there. Let's see, we're gonna have some continuation here to the downside. If we have a strong bounce here at 512, I'm getting out. We wanna see SPY under rejecting 512. I don't know if that's gonna happen because it looks like like Nvidia is holding very good. Friday's low, the 570, 580 level, and Microsoft is looking bullish. We will see. Morning, morning. Yeah, I want to see a rejection here. I want to see Nvidia rejecting here the VWAP. SPY, I want to see it rejecting 512. Okay, the Q definitely very weak. Nvidia losing it. Probably the best move was to short NQ instead of SPY because NQ is definitely weaker than ES, or SPY weaker. I'm sorry, the QQQ weaker than SPY. Where's the Q? The Q is so weak. Microsoft started to look weak. which is gonna help the Q on lower. Same with Nvidia. Come on, SPY. Let's die here. Come on, just move. Just move lower. I want to see Nvidia dying here. It's trying to hold this A64 support, which was yesterday's open and it was Friday's low. Okay. Okay. I like that. I like that. Looking beautiful. I'm gonna sell one, holding one only. So as long as the SPY is under 512, I'm gonna keep holding that runner. Okay. Looking beautiful. Come on, give me more. Give me a little more. Give me more. Nvidia is so weak. Okay, we have the 510, 511 support here from yesterday. I think as long as we have Apple and Nvidia being red and Microsoft is changing direction here, the market is just gonna keep going lower and lower. Okay. I think it's buy right now. It's at a little bit tricky spot because 511 looks like yesterday was a like important level here. 511. It was rejection in the morning and then in the afternoon was support. Let's see if we can break 511 and then I want to see 511 acting as resistance. We have Nvidia, Microsoft dying. That's definitely gonna help my play, but SPY fighting a lot that downtrend. Come on, SPY. Let's go a little bit lower. Give me more. Give me more. A little bit more. For 10 reaction on Microsoft was beautiful. Okay, so Apple is starting to hold this support here. Oh, that's 171. We need Apple to lose the support. Nvidia keeps looking weak. Apple trying. Let's see. Microsoft is holding very good so far. And SPY is definitely fighting there, 511. Mm, 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 mm. So yeah, I want to see SPY keep rejecting 512. Mm, I added one there. Again, as long as it's under 512, for me it's bearish. Oh yeah, FTX is going. Looking beautiful. FTX is entering the gap. Yeah, it's entering the gap. Look at this. This play, another one just like UPS, was so easy, so beautiful. This play just needed a lot of patience, and that's it. Let's see if I'm gonna go from green to red or from red to green. If the 30-minute candle on SPY closes above 512 and holds VWAP as support, that's very, very bullish. Let's see. Let's see if its SPY is gonna react here or not. Mm, SPY looks like it wants to bounce to the VWAP. Okay, if it breaks the VWAP, I'm getting out. Okay, I'm out. That was ugly. So if this 5-minute candle closes like that, strong above the VWAP, I'm playing the upside here. Mm, yeah, if this 30-minute candle is looking pretty bullish, it still have 3 more minutes to close, but so far it's looking pretty bullish. Unless we have this 5-minute candle closing with a strong wick at the top and under 512, SPY's pretty bullish. And same with the Q, it closes above 439, it's bullish. Mm, We have 2 more minutes to close, so I'm gonna wait until a few seconds that this candle is gonna close, both. Let's see. Okay, yeah, definitely the market doesn't want to go lower. This type of reaction at yesterday's low, at yesterday's high, it's very bullish. Mm. Microsoft holding very, very, very good. It's looking pretty bullish. Like Microsoft, it looks like it's gonna go to the 412 PT that I had. When was it that I was trading? Well, I entered Microsoft, I think it was on Friday, and I was looking for a move to 412 or 414. I think it's gonna go there. Sadly, I had to get out of that position after this big sell-off on Friday. Look at that. That's insane. That's a crazy 30-minute candle. Extremely bullish. Okay. I'm gonna go long here with NQ. I'm holding it unless it breaks the 438.50 level. Let's see. Or the VWAP. So basically now it's using this level as support, and we want to see it keep holding it as support. Yeah. So look the daily, guys. Look the daily on the Q. So the Q gave you a long wick at the bottom, means strong reactions. Um, held Friday's low. So far, it's holding Friday's low and yesterday high of support. So as long as I keep holding this level, it's very bullish. And SPY is pretty much the same. 412 was yesterday high. Look this pattern here on SPY. That's pretty bullish. Held yesterday high, Friday's low as support. Doesn't want to go lower, doesn't want to go under 512. I went with NQ instead of SPY because SPY was too far from my support. So I knew if I entered here, SPY could easily go back down here, and that's too far from the support for trading futures. With options, you can do that, but not with futures, it's too far. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stop out here. Let's see. Yeah, I got out. I don't like that. Okay, so far down over 2K on each account. I think I'm gonna change uh, this group and trade with another accounts. Let's see. I need to check on Apex which one have a bigger drawdown. So just to make sure I don't lose any PAs. Mm, I don't know, it depends. Yeah, I'll be back. I need a bathroom break and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm sorry, I have family over, so they wanted to talk. I got my water, more coffee. Um, okay, let's see what group I'm gonna use now to trade futures. Okay, so I have a new group of 5 here. Um, so yeah, I'm going long with NQ. You're late? Well, you didn't see me. You didn't you didn't lose anything because I lost money early. So you didn't miss anything because the first 2 trades that I took were losers. But this one is gonna change everything. I really like this hold here of SPY at the Q. And also Nvidia and Apple is already above the VWAP. No, I'm following my plan. What was my plan pre-market? I said if SPY or the Q hold 512 or 539, that's a play to the upside. If it is under SPY 512 and the Q 439, that's a play to the downside. Both gave me a fake out here. So you gotta adjust and play whatever the market is doing. The market was very bearish and changed into very bullish. The Q is looking beautiful. Same with SPY. We have Nvidia holding Friday low, held yesterday's close. We have Apple above the VWAP. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. It's approaching the 512. Dang it. So mad that Microsoft is just fake me out here on Friday, but it's near the 512 resistance. If the Q loses the VWAP, I'm getting out and I'm done for today. And I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold unless it breaks this support here or the VWAP. Yeah, topic market, it's a nightmare. But I honestly don't see a choppy today unless both the SPY and the Q loses the VWAP and loses support here. Yesterday was definitely choppy because the market didn't do anything. Hopefully, let's hope, no, let's hope it doesn't fake me out again. Nvidia is kind of stuck there and it's looking kind of weak, which is no bueno. We need Nvidia to be strong to play the upside. The play was to short NBA at open. I don't know, you don't know that. Like, that's easy to say it after the move happened. I need Nvidia to hold here. Simply this level. We need Nvidia to hold this level here. Look at Apple. Apple was a perfect retest of 171, which was resistance the past few days. So it was resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance. Yesterday went above, then under 171. I'm sorry, on Friday. And today is using it as support. Yeah, the Q really like this daily setup, how it's playing out so far. And the same thing with SPY. Four 42 is the next resistance here on the Q. Well, trading nothing is better than trading and losing, right? Way better than trading and losing. But I think that 439 hold on the Q, it's an A plus setup because in the morning it went under and then right away bounced above. That's a strong reaction at yesterday's low. Yesterday high, Friday's low. You have SPY also doing exactly the same thing at 512. The Q is doing this. Let me show you guys what it's doing. The Q is doing this. Look at this daily bearish one candlestick. You have smaller one here, smaller one here, and most likely at least it's gonna go to 442. That's your next resistance. If it breaks that resistance, the next one is Friday high or Friday's open here, 446, and then all-time high, but at least 442. Okay, we're back to green. Look at Nvidia. We're back to green. Okay, I'm gonna sell two here, logging some profits. I don't want to be back red. SPY 415 pre-market high. If it breaks that, it's very, very bullish. The next resistance is it's 516, and then all-time high again. Yeah, green me like. Nvidia is looking that it's gonna boom boom to 900 maybe. Okay. Microsoft crazy strong to breaking 412, needs to use it as support, and then dang it, Microsoft. I'm so mad. Like, I'm so mad because every single trade that I have taken on the small account, it played out, but not before stopping me out, because after I took those plays, the market just decided to die, only to bounce back up. And technically, the Friday move means a change of direction because it's a engulfing candlestick on the daily. Yeah, there is before 900. Look at daily. You'll see what's the next resistance there. So at this point, there, like, basically the market, it's been so insane. Like, at this point, you just gotta buy the dip with like at least a 3-4 weeks out. Like, it's insane. And that is not normal. That is not how the market move. But it's been moving like that. I will say the past 6 months. maybe 7 months. It's insane. To pull back to where? The entry was at 512. The next one is gonna be if it breaks 515, then use it as support. Okay, I'm gonna look to take more profits here at 442 or near 442. Let's see, that's Thursday low, kind of. Yeah, yeah. Look that move. Look this daily. This daily is beautiful. This daily breaks the downtrend that the Q had for 2 days only. Only lasted 2 days. Friday and yesterday making lower lows. We're back to green. Back to green. Anyone took the Q with me? Anybody trusted me? Nope. Look that Microsoft move. That's insane. You did? Thank you. I know, almost 200 people here and no likes. What are you guys doing? Why? Okay, why you sold Nvidia? There's no reason to sell Nvidia before the big rip because Nvidia held here, like it held here the VWAP. So if you enter Nvidia here, no reason to sell. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna sell another one because the Q is near 442 resistance. I'm gonna sell this one. Only holding one. I'm way above green now. We were down like 2,500 or a little bit over 2,500 on each account. Now we're over 5,500. Crazy morning for me, at least. This is it. That's my train. That's my day. That's my day. 1200. Okay, so we have the Q rejecting there 442. That's the resistance. We need the Q to break. I think that's pre-market high also. Yeah, near. This is pre-market high here. Let's see, because it's a resistance, but I think if Nvidia and Microsoft keep going higher, I think the Q can break that resistance. And it's not like a major resistance. The big one is 446, but it's still resistance. We see here. So this is today. It was support here on Thursday last week. It was resistance here on Wednesday, resistance here. And Nvidia is near the 900 level. Let me see something here. A little bit. Yeah. Um, mm, mm, mm. I think I'm gonna sell here. Let's see. Gonna wait a little bit and see how the 5-minute candle is gonna close. 516, important level for a SPY. If it breaks 516, it's gonna go back to all-time high. Yeah, the problem is you not I don't have a bias, right? So I only look levels. And you guys saw me saying like pre-market before the market opened and like what was my level and how I was looking to play those levels. So if I see the market uh going under and then having a strong reaction back up, for me, after a strong reaction, it means like here in the morning, it means that it didn't want it to go lower. And if you see the daily, that's why I like using the daily. If you see the daily, you see that 512, it's like, let's just say around yesterday high or yesterday's close and Friday's low. SPY has a lot of like price action there, right? You have a lot of movement there. And same thing with the Q. That's around Friday's low, yesterday high, didn't want to go lower. It was really fighting that move to the downside. So, and then you have a break of the level back up, and then you have a break of VWAP with a strong bullish candle. It's like you cannot keep trying to short that. Bye. See you, Sammy. Thank you for being here. But it's not, I wouldn't say it's easier. It kind of, It just happened after having so much screen time, so many years watching the market. Yeah, that's why I've been using Apex for I think over 6 months since September. I wouldn't be using Apex if I didn't get paid. For 516 on SPY, that's the next one. So here, 516. And this one should act as support now. 442 on the Q. And the next one is 446 on the Q. And Nvidia 900. Since September. I started trading futures in September. Um, I don't know one person that I have not been paid by Apex. Nobody has been not been paid by Apex. The only people that complain is because they don't read the rules when it comes to drawdown and when it comes to consistency and not YOLOing. Yeah, pretty awesome day. Can't not complain about this day. It was very bad in the like early morning, right? The first two trades, I was down a lot. But that's what when you gotta be like not having a bias, remembering your plan, remembering what was the plan pre-market, how were you looking to trade those levels, and then recess and assess. So you go, okay, so I'm red, right? What I'm doing wrong, or how is the market moving? What is the market telling me right now? What's going on right now? If I cannot read it correctly, I just close my computer and I have to leave because that means I either not reading the market or the market sometimes is not for trading like yesterday. The market yesterday wasn't for trade. Like I got I think two good trades yesterday, but those were very small. But and that's it. Most of the people that I know lost money yesterday because it was very choppy. Today, fake me out, and I was like, okay, what I'm doing wrong, what's going on, and then you kind of need to be like have like a clear mind, clear plan, and then just go for it. And I said it before this last trade. I said if this trade doesn't work out, that's it. I'm done for today. Um, Honestly, my sizing doesn't change according to how much I'm losing. My sizing change according to what account I'm using and how the market is moving. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out of this one because it's weakening. SPY and the Q are weakening at resistance. Let's see. Yeah, I'm all out. I must say the treadmill, it helped me a lot. Like, it helped me with the stress of trading with 200 people watching me. Yeah, but pretty happy with today. Okay, so let's put both. I'm gonna put both groups together so you guys can see how much I lost and how much I made with all 10 accounts because I traded the first two trades with one group of 5 account, and this trade I took it with another group of 5 accounts, different accounts. Let's see. Yeah, so this is it. Maybe if Nvidia breaks 900, it's extremely bullish. This is my total for today. Almost 17K. Beautiful Tuesday. Beautiful Tuesday. And I'm done. I'm not gonna trade anything else. That will be definitely over trading if I take any other trade. Yes, all PAs. I don't have any evals right now. I don't have any evals right now. I already passed all the ones that I had when Apex had the 90% off that I bought. When was that? 2 weeks ago or something like that? But these are all 100K PAs from Apex. So yeah, super happy. And I'm done for today. Watch Nvidia 900. Watch Apple 174. Watch SPY 516 and the Q 442. If the Q can hold, it looks like it's gonna break 442 because Nvidia it's going for 900. But yeah, I'm slow down. So done. I had a loser with options today. Nice, nice. I love futures. I cannot like I I cannot go back to only trading options. And every day I'm trading less and less options and trading more and more futures. Thank you guys. Um, so yeah, I'm done for today. Super happy. I don't need more money. I don't need to trade anything else. Watch those levels that I just told you guys, and remember to like the video. See you guys mañana. Yeah, I'm done. Bye.